So I'll put my Chemix on the scale. Then I'll try to remove the original weight. I get my grinded coffee, medium costly grinded. I really love this aroma. Yeah, it's always good to use fresh coffees for this filtered coffee because you realize everything is too high, so you're assured of the quality you're going to really get in the cup. I'll do a little bit of shake to get the even bed. Then ensuring my water is boiled until the required temperature of 94. I'll start my time. Pour. My target is to pour 60 ml. And in this blooming phase, I'll ensure that all my coffee grains are wet. So I pour 60 ml, then wait for 45 seconds. The reason as why I wait for this time is when my coffee degasses, loses that carbon dioxide, develops that aromatics, and also develops other volatiles. So that on my next pour, when I pour the other pours, we are going to get the aromatic oils down in form of flavors. So having reached at 45 seconds, I'll do my next pour. I'll do a gentle pour, making sure that I don't really bring out much water from my kettle. This is done to ensure that I get enough contact time between the coffee and the water for the ideal extraction. So having reached 200 ml of water, I'll do one pause to first let the water pass through the coffee and also buy some time. So at exactly 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'll add the rest of the water. Still, I would always prefer that gentle pour so that you're not too aggressive on the bed. Let the water pass through very quick without extracting our flavors. So I hit my target of 400. Remember, we use 25 grams, ratio 1 to 16, meaning for each gram, we are putting 16 ml of water. So to get the total amount of water we are supposed to pour, we shall do 25 times 16. And our total target is 400. So after finishing my water, I'll do a little bit of agitation to remove the coffee that is sticking on the walls so that the last water passes through evenly. So first, what should we really expect in this? Since we are using a thick filter paper, we expect it to filter out most of the oils. We don't expect such sediments in our coffee, and we expect a bit more clarity in our cup. So what is the ideal time for the extraction of the Chemix? So we expect at least for the Chemix to get done between 3, 4, or 5 minutes, depending on the grind size you're using, the coffee you're using, the roasting profile you're using. You get, remember, different coffee origins, different roasting profiles, different coffee varieties, different coffee processings will always demand you to approach this brewing differently. So it's always ideal to first understand the coffee you're really dealing with. So at exactly 3 minutes